Good morning, Center 2. So today for our activity, we will try to put the bones and arrange them into the skeletal system. So what you're going to do is click on the picture. It will open up this page. You might need to wait a little while for it to load up. It's showing you how much percent it's at, so just hold on. Shouldn't take long. Then you press the arrow.
Skeletal system. Label. Assemble.
You're going to press assemble.
Assemble the skeleton in a
What you're going to try to do is assemble the skeleton by making a little bit of mistake as you can, right? The least amount of mistakes that you can. So I know this is the skull. Another name for it is cranium. And I know this is the facial bones. As you can see, you know our body has 206 bones when you're a full adult. There are so many bones, there are 206 bones to name. However, we are just doing the important ones for our session. But every time you click on one of these bones that we did not label when we practice, it will give you the name. So you can also be learning some of the name, right?
vertebral column.
And then I know this is the hardest. Where does it go? Okay, so you can continue. Try to label the entire bone system. Try to fix it up and put it together. Okay, bye. Have fun.